What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Today we got a video on a case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. You might have heard of this brand. Personally, this is my first time hearing of what the brand was for. I heard the name Pitaka before, but I didn't know what it was for. But this is my first time putting product to name. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I've been looking for a thin case. I had this. It's called the Amicio case. It's very thin, has cutouts for your buttons, speakers, and all that good stuff, and your antenna bands. Very thin, pretty much what I was looking for, but I use MagSafe a lot. So, as you can see, this does not offer MagSafe. So I was like, man, I want a MagSafe thin case. Pitaka is what I heard. Pitaka. I didn't know what it was. Tomato, freaking
Versace, Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati.
You know, whatever this is. It's called Pitaka. I thought it was something else, but it's called Pitaka, not Pitaka. Anyways, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. We got the MagSafe Spigen wallet right here, just to make sure that this MagSafe actually works. And really quick, let me grab the Apple Mag wallet as well. So we have two MagSafe wallets right here. They're both Spigen. I thought I had an Apple one, but guess not. So we're gonna open this up. As you can see, Pitaka MagEZ Case 2. Pitaka everywhere. So I use MagSafe wallets a lot, and also the car mount. So it's very imperative that this thing works. Alternative Tech Life. There's your box right here. Tells you how to put it on. Very simple. Or tells you how to remove it. Now, here's the product right here. Let me see what else you get in the box. Thank you card. Cool. And then wireless chargers. I'm guessing this is some, yeah, this is some of their other branded stuff. So we're not going to concern ourselves with this right now. But here's the case itself. As you can see, it looks pretty similar to this Amicio. I believe that's how you say it. Amicio case. But one big difference that I noticed, this one is definitely thicker. It's still thin, but it's definitely thicker, and it feels more solid, I guess, if that's a thing. If you flip it over to the inside, it has the Pitaka logo right here showing you that this is MagSafe compatible. This one is not. So, I mean, it feels pretty sturdy, a lot thicker than this one right here. So we're gonna put this on and see how it works out. So you got your corners, everything snaps into place. So what I immediately noticed is that it does feel a lot more solid with this case on, and a little bit heavier than this one, but not too much. And then the edges are a little bit raised higher than this Amicio case. So just so you guys can see the quick comparison, slap this one on. Man, using this now, it feels so like thin compared to the other one, but as you probably barely can see it, but this is pretty much flush. It's not much that covers over the edge. It's pretty flat, so you can definitely notice the difference of this case than when you put on the Pitaka. Hold on. So when you put on the Pitaka, you can definitely see some raised edges. You got your cutouts for your volume up and down rocker, your volume switch up here for your antenna bands, your power and Siri button, and then your camera as well. But the price on this bad boy. Now the price, that's the only thing I got an issue with. I don't mind paying to play. This is what you got to do. Shout out to Flossie Carter. I don't mind. But for a case, that's, I mean, Pitaka is a known brand, so it's not like a knockoff brand. But for a case for a freaking phone with just MagSafe, $59.99 on Amazon. I don't understand. Like, why do you guys do this to us? We just want a case. We just want our devices. We just want to use our stuff with no issues. But y'all gotta freaking pull our arm and a leg and freaking make this thing $60. Whatever. I bought one because I wanted it. It's thin, but I just wish the price was a little bit cheaper. So we're gonna put on this right here, and it snaps like, oh my gosh, this magnet is like super strong. It's hard to like move this almost, but it comes on, no issue. Do the shake test. This thing is not coming off, man. This magnet on here is so strong. Put the other one on here. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your milkshake, yeah. Shake your milkshake. Yeah, this is not coming off. This is not coming off at all. Oh, wait a minute. Quick side note. I want to see if these two stick together. They're magnets. Oh, they do. Whatever. Science. Anyways, so this is the Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I just needed one that had MagSafe with it. This one was cool. No issues, but it was a little bit thinner than this one, and there's no MagSafe, but still not bad. It's thin. But this one now I have all-in-one. It's a little bit thicker, which is great, so it offers some extra protection. The edges are raised a little bit, so if it falls flat, it will be somewhat protected. I got a tempered glass on here anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And also MagSafe. That's what we need. Raised edges, MagSafe. Feels a little bit thicker. All the buttons and cutouts line up properly. No issues. So keep the video short and sweet. So let me know what you guys think about it. The look, the design, how it fits. If you had one or you're thinking about getting one, your experience, the price, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, that like button is definitely appreciated. And as always, I keep it short and sweet. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.